Hey, it's Regina from Meat Tarot Life, and I'm going to show you how to easily dehusk corn using the microwave. Here are the ingredients you're going to need: corn and a microwave. And an oven mitt is really important. So go ahead and just leave your corn in the husk and put it in the microwave. And we set it for about 6 minutes for a 1200-watt microwave and let it go. And when it's done, you're going to use your oven mitt to remove it because it is going to be super hot. You'll want to let it set for a minute or so before you touch it to cut it. You want a super sharp, like a chef's knife, to do this. And go ahead and hold it and cut the end where everything connects off. Okay? And then squish it just a little bit, and the corn should slide out a little bit. You can also use the end of your knife to pull it out a little bit to give a little bit more leverage. And you will have no silk on your corn, or very little. And it is hot, delicious, and cooked. Saved you a bunch of time there, huh? And just repeat the process with all your corn. Do the next one. Same thing. Very little hair on the corn. Then you can go ahead and put your corn holders on there and eat your corn and enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.